Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to your Mac desktop. First, make sure your Mac is running a compatible operating system like Mac OS Big Sur or a later version. You will absolutely need the official PlayStation Remote Play application, a high-speed, stable internet connection, and your DualSense wireless controller. This allows you to stream and enjoy your favorite PlayStation 5 games directly on your Mac screen, offering great flexibility. Once on your Mac, download the official PlayStation Remote Play application from the PlayStation website. After installation, launch the application and sign in with your PlayStation Network account. You might need to adjust some settings, like video quality or resolution, to match your internet speed and Mac's capabilities. A good starting point is 7280 pixels for a balanced experience. Now, turn on your PlayStation 5 console and ensure it has an active internet connection. Navigate to the Settings menu, scroll down to System, and then select Remote Play. From there, you will need to enable Remote Play and link your console to your PlayStation Network account. This step is crucial for your Mac to find and connect to your PlayStation 5 successfully. With both devices ready, open the Remote Play app on your Mac and select your PlayStation 5. Your console should now appear, allowing you to establish the connection. Connect your DualSense controller to your Mac using a USB cable or via Bluetooth for the best input response. Enjoy your PlayStation 5 games on your Mac, perhaps even using a 27-inch display for an immersive experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.